Good morning, Sir Gyama. This is my ice experiments. The food coloring, the sugar, the salt, and the ice cube. First, we put the food coloring on the ice. Then we put the salt and sugar on the two ices and leave the other alone. The ice melted for 12 minutes and 51 seconds. The ice cube with salt melted first, and then the ice with sugar melted second, and lastly the ice with none melted last. Goodbye and thank you for watching.